Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let's download and install Node.js into your Windows machine. This method works for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. As you all know, Node.js is an open source server environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server. First of all, I will show you what it's like when Node.js is not installed using the command prompt. Go to command prompt and type node-v. It says that Node.js is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. That being said, let's start downloading and installing. Go to your browser and type Node. I have already given you the direct link to the Node.js official website itself in the description box. The current LTS version when I am doing this video is version 22.13.1, but when you go to the website, the version might have renewed. Whatever the Node version is, the downloading and installing process is just same. So follow my guide. Click on Download Node.js LTS. As you can see, the downloading is already started. After it's completed, open the file. Let me remove my browser and show the installation in a clear way. Click on Next. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement to install, and click on Next. In here, it says where to install Node.js. Since I am letting it get installed to my C drive, I am keeping just as it is. If you want to change the drive, click on Change. Then click on Next. We need these features to be installed, no need to change the features. So, keep it as it is and click on Next. This window says some of the NPM modules need to be compiled from C++. Tick on Automatically install the necessary tools with Chocolatey. Click on Next. Click on Install. Click any key to continue and close this window. Now, Node.js has been successfully installed, and to verify that, go to command prompt and type node-v. As you can see, we have successfully installed Node.js. Thanks for watching the video. If the video is useful, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss guidance video like this. See you in the next one.